Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make a very beautiful bouquet flower. I already prepared over here. It's a sponge. I wet them and I had it already. I have to get a new ones, but anyway, I put the wire all around and I hold it tight. You make sure that you soak your sponge. So we're going to make with the beautiful roses a nice beautiful arrangement. To tell you the truth, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just have to start do it and have a beautiful arrangement, and then we'll decide what does it look like. So I have a lot of arrangement on YouTube. Just check it to give you ideas that you can do it at home, and you can take it and give it present to friends, family, if you're invited for dinner, lunch, that you can do it all alone by yourself. It won't cost you anything. If you have any roses in your garden, pick them up, or you can buy it, just dozen roses or whatever, and make beautiful arrangement if you can. So now first what we have to do is, I have eucalyptus leaves, and I have even this kind of leaves that I don't know what do they call. I have a fern, and I have beautiful pink and peach roses. So I think I will start with roses, and then I think I'm gonna make it like a nice bowl, and I'm gonna start to put, let's cut this, make it shorter with the small roses. I'm just gonna create, let's take this loose one out. We will put peach, and then we will put white around. This is not really white. This is a little bit like pinkish whitish. They have very beautiful colors. Maybe we should put it a little bit taller one. Let's get the leaves out. Even though with the green it's nice too, and make it nice and round. And I think maybe if we put a little bit close ones around here, maybe it will be better. Let's put a little bit higher. There you go. And we'll fill it like this. Now this row, it went white color. Now we're gonna put again purple color, and then we're gonna fill it very beautiful with greens, and we're gonna see how it's gonna look. So you just create and you put your own colors, whatever you like. I think this arrangement is gonna look very beautiful. Pink, purple, I think it will look very nice. You can tell that I love flowers. I do enjoy them. There you go. This one doesn't have any handles. Those roses, I had them before and I didn't want to go for waste. I just wanted to make arrangement with it and enjoy a little bit a different way. There you go. Now we're going to put again white color. There you go. We'll put a little bit further from each other. There we go. You can do as you please. It's your taste, it's your flower. Just see how you can make it look beautiful. Let's do with the fern and see how it's gonna look. We're gonna fill it with the fern, with different leaves, and see how we can arrange and make it looks beautiful. Well, I'm looking kind of a long branches. These are all from my garden, not all of them. The fern, let's see, let's put it here. In front of my garden, actually sidewalk, I have this purple one. It smells very, very beautiful. And with this purple one, I'll make a gem usually too. I think it's looking already beautiful. Those ones I'm just gonna fill it like a filler. Because they are, I just picked them up. And I think I need to cut. Let's see, this is, I don't want to see the head sticking out. All right. This is really, really beautiful arrangement for centerpiece. All right, I think I'm gonna put a couple of them inside. I think it's gonna look very, very beautiful. Nice and fresh. There you go. It's already looking so beautiful. This is long. We will fill it under while it's long. That's a little too long. All right. Let me bring this a little bit like this so you can see what I'm doing. You know what? Let's put another rose here. Let's get, this is pretty long it is. Let's fill it here. Now let's fill a little bit green again. We're not done yet. I will say this is can go on a bride and a groom table or centerpiece at the weddings. Let's see, I guess we have to get it some more, or let's see what kind of leaves we can use it, what kind of fillers we can use it. Let's make it shorter. I think it will look better. So we don't take the look from the roses. Let's put a little bit eucalyptus leaves. I think it will be beautiful. At the bottom, mix it together with the fern. Look at this. It's already looking gorgeous. I am really enjoying it. I hope you get hold of plants like this and you don't let them go waste. Decorate them and enjoy them in your house. Take to a friend's house when you go lunch. Give it to them. Look how much they are gonna appreciate. They are not even gonna know that you did it until you tell them. Look how simple, easy arrangement it is. Let's push this in. We want the eucalyptus to go in, just very little to show. Close to the fern. The colors, they go very well together. I think this will be putting here. Okay, let's get a couple more fern. Fill it here and there, not so much. Very little branches. And I think this will look very, very, very beautiful. I have to look all around. Sometimes I'm missing spaces. Let's add a couple little more here around here. I'm looking the ones that it's kind of look nice and healthy, and little ones if I can find. Little with the, like a looking dollar sign. Looking little circles. You know what? Always the green looks good with any kind of flowers. Roses, small flowers, big flowers. The green, it makes it fresh looking, all the kind of flowers. There you go. We have such a beautiful plants all over. When I walk, I always imagine that what if I pick them up, what kind of decorations or what kind of flowers arrangement I can do with them. So we have another rose here which is very short, but we can stuff it someplace. Let me see. And look how beautiful it looks. I just put it in that dish. Maybe I could have added a little more plants, but I think, look how beautiful. Even the bee came on flowers. Look how beautiful they look. I can add a little bit more leaves here to look more fuller. There we go. Now you tell me that you don't like this flower arrangement. It is gorgeous. It's breathtaking arrangement it is. You guys, I want you to get hold of roses, flowers, plants, whatever you have, succulent, even regular grasses. You can make very, very beautiful arrangement with it. And look at this, how beautiful it is. How you're not gonna like this? Well, I hope you like this arrangement. Let's clean here so it looks better. I hope you like this arrangement. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.